As border villages remain on alert amid rising tensions between India and Pakistan, India Today travelled to Arispur and Nowshera sector villages where remain unfazed. In fact, in the face of the Pakistani shelling, but are gripped by intense fear. Some are shifting out and moving to safer locations. Pooja Shali and Sunil Bhatt with this special report.
मोदी जी के साथ हैं, हम पूरा समर्थन देंगे उनको।
The shelling on the border has not affected their resolve. Even in the face of escalating tension between India and Pakistan, day-to-day life is far from easy for these civilians. India Today travelled to an undisclosed location in Nowshera, where the government has built 12 to 15 feet high bunkers for residents to hide during shelling.
Now what we have here is the roof of a bunker. They have kept these logs so that any sort of mortar or any sort of firing that takes place can at least deflect to some extent from these logs that have been kept. I'm now going to take you to an individual bunker. There are community bunkers that have not been made yet in this area, which is very shocking. But there is an individual bunker that people have made, and that is being, in fact, that is constructed by the government in some of the houses. Let me take you to one of these bunkers and why some people continue to stay the moment they think that the situation is going to worsen. Now, these are individual bunkers that have been constructed, and now at least there is some relief, and that is why I'm taking off the helmet, which I have kept with me through the journey. These are individual bunkers constructed in each house, which is big enough. We are being told about 16 to 14 feet. And let me now go inside this bunker.
Emotions are running high as the nation faces a big test.
निशारा में रहना बहुत अच्छी बात है, लेकिन हमारी जो श्रीनगर, जो कश्मीर अभी जा रही है, हालात जा रही है, बहुत गंदी हालत चल रही है। और हमारे जवानों, शायद जवानों के लिए जो हम खून पसीना,
आप इमोशनल भी हो रहे हो।
हाँ, इमोशनल तो होना ही है। इमोशनल तो तभी होना है कि हमारे बच्चे के हैं।
Youngsters say that tension on the border has taken a toll on their studies.
यहाँ पे शेलिंग होती है और हमारी पढ़ाई भी खराब हो रही है, एग्जाम भी चल रहे हैं। आज एग्जाम था, कैंसिल हो गया है। ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए।
India Today also visited the international border in the Arispura sector in Jammu.
There you can see the fence also. That's the international border. We are just few meters away from the international border. You can also see that Pakistani post. A high alert has been sounded, and the BSF is saying that they are ready to face any eventuality and ready to foil the nefarious designs of the enemy.
The residents here are living in constant fear of shelling by Pakistan. They have been asked to shift out by the authorities.
अचानक दोपहर को बीएसएफ वालों ने मैसेज दिया कि आप जल्दी से जल्दी तकरीबन आधे पौने घंटे के अंदर अंदर ये गांव खाली कर दो, क्योंकि फायर होने वाला है। तो जल्दी से तकरीबन लोग जहां जिनका कोई पीछे सोर्स था, वो तकरीबन मेरे ख्याल में 99% लोग जो हैं वो कल जहां से छोड़कर चले गए थे।
हम इस जगह पर बिल्कुल मजबूत हैं, आर्मी के साथ हर टाइम हम हर जगह उनकी मदद कर रहे हैं, चाहे तो वेपन दे दें हमारे को, हम क्वालिफाइड हैं।
As an uneasy calm prevails at the border, India's border areas are on high alert. Even if India and Pakistan were to de-escalate, life for people living on the border will take time to return to normal. With Pooja Shali in Nowshera and Sunil Ji Bhatt in Arispura, Bureau Report, India Today.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.